Colors, colors. Blue color, pink color, red color, black color, and green color. Colors. Which one we take? Red color. We can write red color. ABCD. Okay, capital ABCDs. First letter A. A. First letter capital A for apple. Next B. B for ball. And next C. C for cat. And D. D for dog. And E. E for elephant. Next F. F for fan. Next G. G for grapes. Next H. H for capital H. H for hat. Next I. I for yummy ice cream. Next J. J for juice. Next K. K for kite. Next letter L. L for lemon. Next M. M for mango. Next N for net. N-E-T net. Next letter O. O for orange. Orange color, pink color. Orange, O for orange. P for pen. Next Q. Q for queen. Next R. R for rat. S for strawberry. T for train. U for umbrella. Next letter V. V for van. V for van. We can write blue color. V. V for van. W. W watermelon. Next X. X for X-ray. Next Y. Y for yellow. Last letter Z. Z for zebra.